In this tutorial, we demonstrate how flexibility of the ORBITRAX allows you to work with the data access solution that enables you to analyze and use information in different domains with a unique interface for interactive presentation and analysis of any kind of information. Here we'll show you how to create tabular reports through ORBITRAX. Go ahead with entering username, password and verification code for login. After successful login, system will redirect you to ORBITRAX dashboard screen. On the top of your page, you will see a setting icon in the right-hand corner. After you click this icon, you'll see a list of BI functions and admin options. Our first step is to create a report group, so let's start with selecting this option. Report group form is displayed on screen. Now insert title according to your need and reports, for example e-sales order tutorials. Select parent group if you want to create a subgroup, otherwise leave as it is. If you don't want to make your group active right now, uncheck the active option, and then click on Save button. New report group has been created. And you can see in the list below. You can also edit or delete this group by clicking on their icons. Press F5 to refresh your page. Report group will show within Reports panel on home screen. Now moving to the next step, click on Settings icon again and select New Report option. Give your report a suitable title like Customer-wise Detail, Tabular, and select Report Group. Then click on Save button. Report has been created and a new form is displayed on screen containing all the features and functionalities for designing a report. Page size can be customized, and if your report contains numbers, then you can change the decimal places displayed for numbers. For example, if you want to display 2 decimal digits, insert 2 in round of digits field. Now select the connected database, because each report needs data to print supplied by a data source in the form of tables, views, stored procedures, or custom object. Here database contains these all data resources. For this report, we are going to select tables and views. On clicking Show button, all views and tables will be loaded. Select required views or tables and click on Save. Data has been saved. Now click on Next. Next step is to create relations between tables and views in case you have more than one view or table, based on common data. After that, click on Save and move to the next step. You can also open these options directly by clicking on their icons. ORBITRAX allows you to select different types of report like tabular, pivot, crystal report, etc. Here, we will select table from the drop-down and click on Save. Next function is to select those fields that you want to show on your report. If you want to show distinct records on your report, select Yes. Now check mark on the required field. Caption will be automatically set, but you can also change it. Choose all required fields in the same way. ORBITRAX also provide feasibility to set formula fields, if you need any extra fields other than views or tables fields. Check mark on formula fields to make it active, and then copy required fields and paste in the fields formula column and apply logic on them to create a new field. Give caption and select SQL or grid, whatever you want it to be applied upon. Then click on Save. All fields have been selected. If you want to apply any fixed filter on your report, filtration option is available. Select condition basis for filter by selecting between and or. Select field on which you want to apply filter. Then select operator from the drop-down and insert filter text. Now select filter text type. After adding in list, click on Save. Multiple filters can be added in list. Chart function is required for graphical reports, that is why we are not going to use it in this tutorial. The next one in the row is grouping function. Select group field from the drop-down and select SQL or grid as per your requirements, then give order number and add it into list and then click on Save. If you want to summarize or calculate your specific data, it can be achieved by this function. Select field and condition from the drop-down. These two options are for pivot reports. After adding in list, click on Save. The next option is sorting. For this purpose, select sort field and sort direction from the drop-down and add into list. After that, click on Save. ORBITRAX gives you another feasibility, that is drill down visualization. Drill down approach is basically used for reports that use large amount of data by hiding complexity and enables the user to toggle conditionally hidden report items to control how much detailed data they want to see. Select the drill down report from the drop-down respective to the fields you want it be expended upon. The main reason for hiding items is to provide a report that shows summary data but enables a user to drill down into detailed data. After that, click on Save. And drill down functionality has been enabled. The next option is field formatting. Select desired field and operator from the drop-down. Now insert value and select format, color and font size and add into list. After that, click on Save. You can also give ordering to the fields of your report. Just click on any fields and with the help of up and down button move this field. Do same for other fields too and click on Save button. Moving it to the next step, that is report criteria. You can use criteria in Access to restrict the set of records that the query returns. To set criteria for generating a report, follow these steps. Insert criteria title and select parameter from the drop-down you want it to be mapped on. Now select report query or crystal or either both, whatever you want it to be applied upon. After that, select DB field and give sort index. Then add it into the list. You can add multiple criterias in your report. Let's create 2 more criterias for clear understanding. Then click on Save and criteria has been generated. Report parameter CR function is required for crystal reports, that's why we are not going to use it in this tutorial. The next one is viewing properties option. You can see here all the details and customization we have done for this report until now. In short, it's a summary view of this report. The last one in the row is preview icon. You can view and analyze your result by using this option. Report designing has been complete. Let's close this form. Now press F5 to refresh the page and go to Reports panel on home screen, expand it and click on eSales Order Tutorials group. Report is showing under this group, click on it. Criteria selection has been appeared on screen. Select date from and to or select item and click on Show button. Customer item details report has been displayed. You can see that records are grouped on the basis of transaction date in ascending order. If you click on plus icon, details are showing. Now for drill down approach, click on Customer ID and another report containing customer details is displayed on screen. You can notice that average of discount amount and sum of net amount is also calculated and showing under grid. And here the tax amount is larger than 50,000, that's why text is in bold format and red color with large font size according to our field formatting condition. Some other features are also available, like you can refresh your report and can also open in full screen mode. Reports can be edited, deleted, or copied. You can also add these reports in Favorites panel and dashboard. Exports to different formats are also available. Let's export this report into PDF format. Just click on Export to PDF icon and here you can see the exported report. It was the complete demonstration for tabular report creation through ORBITRAX. For further assistance, please visit our help portal or email at support@frotech.com. Thank you.